Hello, everyone. Welcome to SlowSpeak English. This is day 5 of our 100 Days English Challenge. If you haven't watched days 1, 2, 3, and 4 yet, I highly recommend watching them first. Each lesson builds on the previous one, helping you improve your English step by step. Today's lesson is 25 Daily English Sentences for Beginners. I'll speak slowly and clearly. Please listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's begin. 1. Good morning. 2. How are you? 3. I'm fine. Thank you. 4. What is your name? 5. My name is Alex. 6. Nice to meet you. 7. Where are you from? 8. I'm from Bangladesh. 9. Please help me. 10. Thank you very much. 11. You're welcome. 12. Excuse me. 13. I'm sorry.
I don't understand. Could you repeat that, please? Please speak slowly. I can speak a little English. What time is it? It's time to go. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day. I'm learning English every day. Practice makes perfect. Never give up. Keep learning English. Excellent job. You have just learned 25 useful daily English sentences. Practice each sentence out loud at least 3 times every day. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to SlowSpeak English, and share it with your friends. If you want the next lesson, type "next episode" in the comments. I'll see you in day 6 of our 100 Days English Challenge. Until then, keep practicing, keep learning, and keep speaking English. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.